In 1932, a country went to war with birds and lost. Farmers in Australia were facing a crisis. Tens of thousands of emus were destroying their crops. So the government did something unbelievable. They sent in the army. But the emus were fast, unpredictable, and surprisingly hard to hit. Guns jammed, plans failed, and the birds just kept coming. After weeks of effort, the military withdrew. The emus had won. Today, it's remembered as one of the strangest conflicts in history. If humans lost to birds once, what else are we underestimating?